A very good evening, everybody. I'm Rishabh Roshan from Class 12.
I'm Anmol Garewal from Class 9. And I'm Hardik from Class 9.
Today, we are going to discuss our youth ideathon idea, which is Vahan.
So let's firstly move with the problem statement. So what is the problem? People with disabilities face challenges with mobility and independence, difficulty in accessing transportation and navigating spaces. These obstacles limit their ability to move freely and perform daily tasks without any assistance. Now, this also impacts their overall life. Now, how can we solve this? We have done various studies, and after going through various data and graphs, we have found that there is about 2.2% of the population till 2011 census was disabled. So what's the solution to this?
The solution is one and only Vahan, an attachment for standard scooters that transform them into auto-driven models with voice-enabled maps. This add-on enhances accessibility for people with disabilities by providing real-time auditory navigation, improving mobility and independence, making it easier to navigate public spaces without needing specialized equipments.
So what is the progress we have made so far? After user research, we have our design stage ready. User enter destination, we have voice commander app. So firstly, we take user input and then we move to route calculation, in which GPS and mapping software generate the optimal route. And then we go with navigation guidance, voice prompts, provide real-time directional instructions, and obstacle detection. Sensors identify and alert the user to identify the nearby obstacles. And then auto drive activation, scooter autonomously follows the calculated route. And in last, safety alerts, voice alerts notify of potential hazards and the dangers on the route. Now, what's our implementation plan?
First, prototype development. Invest in material and components to create an initial prototype of the attachment.
Second, testing. Conduct basic tests to ensure functionality and safety. Third is design refinement. Improve the design based on testing feedback to enhance performance and user experience.
Fourth, documentation. Prepare detailed documentation for future development and potential investors.
So this was our project, Vahan. Hope so that it was enough to get your time, and hope so you would have liked it. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.